My beautiful friends, there are two new sheriffs in town. We're going to talk about that. This is my post-market wrap-up for this Wednesday, May 15, 2019. The dynamic duo. Let's talk about that. I am not talking about Lloyd Blankfein and Jamie Dimon. You know, the Wall Street superbank CEOs. Well, Lloyd Blankfein did step down. The market and Wall Street have two new CEOs, and these guys are tuned in. We're going to cover that. Stocks finished nicely in the green today. The Dow Jones Industrial Average put on a gain of about 116 points. At the low, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 190 points. Now let's talk about how this played out, and we'll elaborate on the dynamic duo that runs the market. It's the truth. Please someone argue this at the very end. So, stocks at the low. We get a message here from Treasury Secretary Mnuchin saying, well, guess what, everyone? China talks are scheduled soon. Completely open-ended. That was enough to erase the losses in the Dow and bring us to the flat line. Okay. About a half an hour later, we get this. President Trump is now going to push off tariffs on automobiles for 6 months. And that was it. Off to the races. These guys must be synchronized. Again, think about it. You got stage one. That would be in the Batman and Robin characters here. Well, Robin over there, you know, he gets his message out. Stage one. Stage two, President Trump, bam! Let's get in here. Let's put out a message. Let's push stocks back up. Look, this market is being driven 100% by messages like this, by tweets like this, and you can forget about this market dropping because these guys, this new dynamic duo on Wall Street, President Trump, Batman, and you got Steve Mnuchin as Robin. Yeah, these two here, they are synced in, dialed in. They must have, obviously they're communicating to each other and they know exactly what they're doing. It's incredible. It really is. And it's not just today. This is a synchronized move that we've been watching now for a while, and they have it down to a science. So here's the deal. This market has now become bulletproof, and I'll tell you another reason why. If you're paying any attention to the mainstream financial channels, it is now being referred to as the Trump put. If the market believes that there is a Trump put under this market, and it's very hard to argue that. A Trump put, what does it mean? Trump is going to support this market at all costs. Well, that means that new record highs are coming and soon for this market, regardless of anything else. I mean, today, we find out retail sales fall off of a cliff. Understand, the U.S. economy is 75% driven by retail sales. For those of you that don't know that. So that fell off a cliff. And industrial production falls off a cliff. And then these two, the dynamic duo with their little play here, bam, stocks right up. Again, fundamentals don't matter. Valuations don't matter. Bad economic news doesn't matter. Trade wars don't matter. Forget about it. This market will be manipulated higher. There's no other way to put it. Do not bet against this market. I've been urging all of my lions. If you don't believe me, look at Twitter, look at Facebook, ask one of my lions. I've been saying do not short this market. Don't do it. If you do, you are doing so at your own peril. The dynamic duo and the Trump put, no way. No way is this market going down. And I don't care what they throw at it. Yeah, sure, we might get a dip. It might fall. Buy it. That's all my advice is. The Trump put, the dynamic duo, rules the markets, rules the show. Lloyd Blankfein, step aside. Jamie Dimon, step aside. There are 2 new sheriffs in town. And they're a lot more powerful than the both of you were. There is no doubt about it. With that said, for all of you that have had a look at it's completely free. In the description of this video, I set up a charting system for you. All the settings are there. Everything is there for you. Take advantage of it. I added a confirmation chart there that you can put side by side. So now not only are you basing it off of one chart, your trades, now you have another one, different setup, as a confirmation. I want you to take advantage of this. This is how I will be trading this market henceforth. Yesterday, had a very good day in trading. Today, an even better one. And I posted this for you. Please take advantage of it. Paper trade first. Prove to yourself that you can make it work. Again, it's free, and I can guarantee you, I don't care how much you pay for a charting system, this is it. For intra-day trading. I am now becoming a day trader. And you have to in this environment, I think. But there's an unbelievable amount of money to be made here, people. Don't let it slip through your fingers. The Trump put the 2 new sheriffs in town, Batman and Robin, they're running the show. Good. Let them do it. Period. With that said, this guy loves you. Please share this video. Check out the new charting system with confirmation. Link in the description of this video. Share it. Get more people to beat the living piss out of this market. Make a profit and then donate to a charity you believe in. That's how we're going to win. We are responsible for each other, and I want us to do this. This is why could I have sold this? Sure. Would I have probably made $20,000 or $30,000 off of just putting it up for sale probably in about 6 months? Yeah, I probably would have. I don't need the money. I want to give it away for free, and I want you to have it. With that said, see you tomorrow.